Basecamp is a project management software that is used by teams and individuals all over the world. It is a great tool for organizing tasks, keeping track of deadlines, and collaborating with others. One of the most common questions that people ask about Basecamp is, what is the file limit for Basecamp? The answer to this question is not as simple as you might think. In fact, there are a few different file limits that you need to be aware of. The different file limits for Basecamp. There are 3 different file limits for Basecamp. The file limit for individual files, 100 megabytes. The file limit for shared folders, 10 gigabytes. The file limit for your entire Basecamp account, 50 gigabytes. How to increase your Basecamp file limits. If you need more storage space in Basecamp, there are a few things you can do. Upgrade to a paid plan. Paid plans have higher file limits. Use a cloud storage service. You can use a cloud storage service like Dropbox or Google Drive to store large files. Delete old files. You can delete old files to free up space in your Basecamp account. Additional tips for working with large files in Basecamp. Use compressed files. Compressed files take up less space than uncompressed files. Use a file sharing service. You can use a file sharing service like WeTransfer or Dropbox to send large files to other people. Use Basecamp's Send a File feature. Basecamp's Send a File feature allows you to send large files to other people without using up your storage quota. The file limits for Basecamp can be a bit confusing, but there are a few things you can do to increase your storage space. If you have any questions about the file limits for Basecamp, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.